What's up, everybody? It's your buddy, pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This is an Amazon unboxing, and unfortunately, whatever's in here is kind of leaking a little bit, so I'm kind of scared. As you can see, right there. So I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, wow. So I ordered OxyClean, and they literally put it in here with cat treats, and it busted open. Yeah, that's not safe at all. Can't put chemicals with food. So I got OxyClean that open. You got a Temptations value size. I got Temptations Surfer's Delight. This was Seafood Medley. Got bacon strips, thick cut hickory smoke flavor, and savory salmon, and an Approxim sodium. Thanks a lot for watching. I got a mess to clean up and don't want any of my pets to get hurt. Thanks a lot for watching. I wish you the best. Have a great day.